Great morning, everyone. 10th class student, we were discussing chapter number 5, periodic classification of element. Till now, we have discussed about the Doberner triad law. What according to Doberner? Doberner said that he taken the three elements in a group and that group was called triad. He taken the three elements in increasing order of their masses and found that the average of first and third element will be equal to the middle one. This topic we have done in the last video, that is Doberner triad law. Next we are going to proceed Newland's law of octave. So John Newland was an English scientist. Arrange the known element, कुछ जो element उस time पे known थे, he arranged that known element in order of their increasing atomic masses, and this is called the law of octaves. He taken some element and arranged that elements according to their increasing atomic masses. So at that time only few elements were known, that is from hydrogen to lithium. Hydrogen to lithium. Only 56 elements were known at that time. So what according to Newland, what was the law of octave? What was the Newland law of octave? Newland law of octave. It states that the property of the every eighth element will be similar to that of the first one. This, according to Newland law of octave, the property of the first element will be similar to the property of the eighth element. Like we have musical note sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. First note is also sa and eighth note is also sa. So every first note resembling its property with the eighth one. Likewise, every eighth element will be similar to that of the first one. Now it contained the element from hydrogen to thorium. Up to that time only 56 elements were known at the time of Newland, and the first element was hydrogen and last element was the thorium. This was the table given by the Newland law of octave given by the John Newland. According to it, the property of the first element will be similar to the every eighth element. Like we have 8 notes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Again, eighth element will be same to the first one. But this law was applicable only up to calcium. Only up to calcium in this table. After that, the property of the first element will not be similar to the eighth one. So this law was applicable only up to calcium. So what was the limitation of Newland law of octave? Why this scientist get failed? What was the limitation? First limitation was this law was applicable only up to calcium. After the calcium के बाद जितने भी element आ रहे थे, this law was not applicable. That's why this was the limitation of Newland law of octave. This was the first limitation. After that, it contained only 56 elements. In Newland table, it was only 56 element at that time. Further, it was assumed by Newland, और Newland ने ये assume किया था only 56 element existed in nature. सिर्फ इतने ही element exist करते हैं. No more element could be discovered in future. इसके अलावा और element discover नहीं हो सकते future में. So again it was the defect. It was the limitation stated by the Newland. Because at present time near about 180 elements known at present time. So that's why this was the limitation. So first limitation was this was applicable only up to calcium. Second limitation was at that time only 56 element known. और उसने कहा था कि इसके बाद इस साइंटिस्ट ने कहा था कि इसके बाद और ज़्यादा एलिमेंट डिस्कवर नहीं हो सकते. That was again the defect. No more element could be discovered in future, but this is not true. Many more elements were discovered in the future also. One more defect by the Newland law of octave was that he placed two elements in the same slot of the periodic table, as you can able to see on the screen. He placed the two elements in the same slot. Again it was the limitation. Again it was the defect. So it was the third defect. In order to fit the element into table, Newland adjusted two elements in the same slot. he placed the two element in the same slot and that two element were unlike in its properties. उनकी chemical properties भी क्या थी, same नहीं थी. For example, कोबाल्ट और निकल को उसने same slot में रखा था, कोबाल्ट and nickel in the same slot, but these are placed in the same column as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, but they are having different properties. Similarly, iron, which resemble the cobalt and nickel in properties, placed differently away from these elements. So these were the three defects by the Newland law of octave. This was the table given by the Newland. Newlands arranged 56 elements according to this table, and this Newland law of octave applicable only up to calcium. That's why this law get failed. Further, we will continue our topic in next video. Thank you.